Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the baseline. Check battery health percent, model, and OS. This tells you what to expect. Plug in an original or quality charger and charge uninterrupted to 100%. Don't heat the device. Once done, restart the device and close all background apps. This removes processes skewing sensor data. Make sure battery saver is toggled off then on to prompt the system to reevaluate usage. These first actions align software and hardware readings for accuracy. You now perform a deep recalibration to correct capacity reporting. Discharge the battery to roughly 3 to 5% by using regular apps. Avoid forcing shutdowns often, because that can harm cells. Then charge uninterrupted back to 100% in one session and leave it charging for an extra 1 to 2 hours so the controller learns full capacity. After that, run the manufacturer diagnostics or a reputable battery app to rewrite battery statistics, and you finish by verifying results and handling issues. Monitor the health reading for 24 hours. If it hasn't updated, repeat one full calibration cycle. Make sure firmware and power management updates are installed, and swap charger or cable if charging behavior is inconsistent. Connectors and cheap chargers cause false reports. If the battery still shows true capacity loss despite recalibration and good charging, consider an OEM battery replacement. That's often the only way to restore real 100% capacity. Quick tip: if readings jump wildly, check connectors first.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.